Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best drain cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or professional plumber, especially when facing stubborn clogs that traditional methods can't handle. This 75-foot drain cleaner, also known as a drain auger or snake, is designed to reach deep into pipes, effectively breaking up and removing blockages like hair, grease, and other debris that accumulate over time. Its length provides ample reach for most household plumbing systems, from sinks and showers to main sewer lines, making it a versatile and indispensable item for maintaining clear and functional drains, preventing costly water damage and inconvenience. Number 5. FlexiSnake Drain Weasel Hair Clog Remover Kit. Tired of stubborn hair clogs? Our patented microhook technology grabs and removes hair, grime, and debris quickly and easily, without any tools or harsh chemicals. Its easy-to-use handle spins to lock onto clogs and pull them out in seconds. You can say goodbye to plumbers and messy cleanups. This kit comes with 5 disposable 18-inch microhook wands and a reusable handle, ensuring you're ready for multiple uses. It's ideal for sinks, shower drains, bathtubs, and grates. Its thin design works in nearly every drain in your home. Eliminate the need for caustic chemicals. This manual tool is safer for your pipes and the environment. Proudly made in the USA by a family-owned business, we focus on durable, high-quality products for everyone. What we like. This tool is perfect for tackling those stubborn hair clogs. Its patented microhook technology grabs and removes hair effectively, while the rotating handle makes it easy to maneuver. If you're looking for a quick, chemical-free solution for your bathroom drains, this is the one for you. What people say. It pulls out a huge amount of hair and grime. It's gross and made me so happy to clear out that drain so easily and quickly. This product is fast, virtually stand, doesn't stink, really pulls the hair out and costs less than use, plus you don't risk damaging your pipes with caustic chemicals. This product is highly recommended. Worked when liquids failed. Tub had 2 of water and endless liquid clog products. Baking soda and white vinegar did not work. This thing poked it just 6 down and it pulled out a clog. Drain fine now. Very easy to use. Number 4. Green Gobbler Ultimate Main Drain Opener. Tired of stubborn clogs? Our powerful drain opener is designed to tackle the toughest blockages in your main lines, sinks, tubs, and toilets. Specifically formulated to break down hair clogs, this cleaner ensures your drains flow freely again. It's effective in showers and kitchen sinks too. From main sewer lines to your everyday sinks and tubs, this versatile solution handles it all. It's the only drain cleaner you'll need. Watch as it quickly dissolves obstructions, restoring proper drainage without harsh scrubbing. Get back to enjoying your home without interruption. This large bottle provides ample solution for multiple uses, ensuring you're prepared for any clogs that arise. Keep your plumbing in top condition. What we like. For those tougher clogs that go beyond the sink, this mainline opener is your go-to. It's designed to tackle blockages in sinks, tubs, toilets, and showers. If you need a robust solution for a variety of drain issues in your home, consider this powerful option. What people say. It worked like a charm, resolving my drain issue and saved me from a pricey plumber visit. It was as easy to use as pouring the product down the drain at night. The following morning, I tested my washer drain and the drain obstruction was gone since the water draining without any issue. Worked awesome when I left overnight. Flushed, went high, just barely plunged it and the weeks of toilet being BS just flushed away. Huge relief, we'll definitely get more later this year. I didn't smell anything from this. I don't think there's chemical, just enzymes. Bust says to avoid getting on hands because of burns. This is a great drain clog remover. My kitchen sink's clog was fully blocked at the wall opening of the drain pipe. I poured the Green Gobbler down the drain until it backed up into the sink. I let it stand overnight. The next morning I heated a pan of water to a rolling boil and poured it into the sink. The clog was immediately cleared down the drain. No more sluggish draining and no more clog. Number 3. Green Gobbler Enzyme Drain Cleaner, 1 gallon. Introducing Green Gobbler, the enzyme-enhanced cleaner designed to tackle tough drain issues. It effectively breaks down grease, paper, fat, and oil. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. This powerful formula works to control foul odors in your sewer lines, septic tanks, and grease traps. Unlike harsh chemicals, our enzyme-enhanced formula is safe for your pipes. It's an excellent alternative to caustic cleaners, maintaining your plumbing systems. Improve the performance of your grease traps. It helps enzymes and bacteria work more efficiently, promoting smoother operation. Keep your septic tanks healthy and functioning optimally. It aids in the biological breakdown of organic material and odors. With anti-glug technology for reduced splashing, this cleaner provides up to 8 treatments. It digests waste within hours of application. We stand by our innovative and effective products. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a money-back guarantee within 30 days. What we like. If you're concerned about harsh chemicals and want to maintain your plumbing system, this enzyme cleaner is ideal. It breaks down grease, fat, and oil while also controlling foul odors. If you have a septic system or grease traps, or simply prefer an eco-friendly approach, this is a great choice. What people say. Used on chronically slow-draining drain with excellent results. No harsh chemical smell and improvement with the first treatment. I repeated the treatment and the sink drains as if new. I had a stubborn kitchen clog, slow drain for the last 3 years. Some cleaners would work partially and give small relief. But this one using 3 double doses over 2 days, and the drain is clear. Works like a charm on my sewage ejector pump to clear out lots of clumped up TP and grease and sludge. The tank now looks like new. No kidding. And I'm back to 4 flushes before the pump activates. Number 2. RIDGID K400 Drain Cleaning Drum Machine Kit. Tackle tough drain blockages with ease. This powerful machine offers reliable performance for everyday clogs in tubs, showers, and sinks. Everything you need is included. It features a powerful motor, manual controls, durable cable, and a complete tool set for immediate use. The rugged, kink-resistant cable is built to last. It's ideal for clearing blockages in 1.5-inch to 3-inch drain lines. Moving this machine is simple. Its integrated transport cart with large wheels makes it easy to navigate job sites, even over stairs. Our patented system stops the drum if the cable gets stuck. This prevents damage and alerts you to blockages, ensuring efficient operation. What we like. This is the professional-grade tool for serious drain blockages. With its powerful motor and long, durable cable, it can handle tough jobs in 1.5 to 4 drain lines. If you're a plumber or a homeowner dealing with frequent or severe clogs and need a reliable, powerful machine, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. Works well, cured my drain problem. I used it in my cast iron main drain in 1936 constructed house. The professional plumbers wanted thousands to rebuild the drain, but this device cured my problem. A plumber recommended that we buy one of these because of the number of plants growing into our old ceramic pipes. It works very well, and does exactly what it's supposed to do. With this one, it took an hour to fix the problem. We were really shocked how fast it was. The problem finally was out of our house and we were how many things we found. We are able to use toilets, shower and washing machines finally. No more issues. My husband said he followed steps to install this one. It was so easy for him. Highly recommend. Number 1. Green Gobbler Drain Clog Dissolver 31 ounces. Are you tired of stubborn clogs? Introducing a powerful solution designed to tackle even the toughest blockages in your drains and toilets. This advanced formula works quickly to dissolve clogs, breaking them down effectively. It's your go-to for clear and free-flowing pipes. Designed with care, it effectively clears obstructions without harming your plumbing. Use it with confidence for a reliable clean. Simply pour it down the drain and let it work its magic. You'll see fast, impressive results, restoring your plumbing to its optimal condition. Don't let clogs disrupt your home any longer. This powerful cleaner is the ultimate solution for maintaining clear and functional drains and toilets. What we like. For quick and effective clog removal, especially in toilets, this dissolver is a convenient option. It's designed to break down common household clogs efficiently. If you're looking for a straightforward, powerful cleaner to tackle immediate blockages without much fuss, this product is worth considering. What people say. This worked great on our bathroom sink, which has drained slowly for years. The green Gobbler is thicker than the So Fresh I tried, but the bottle says it's the density of the liquid that matters, not the thickness, because it sinks to the bottom of standing water to work at the source of the problem. We have a toilet that occasionally has some draining problems and we are not sure why. Anyway, we used this product as the instructions state and the toilet drained as expected after each use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.